Hey guys, Pete here again with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to publish a grid index to our ArcGIS Online account. You have seen my previous video where we created the grid index, and I'll post a link right here for you. So we're going to use the same grid index in that example for this example, and it's called Durham County Boundary Index. So first of all, let's make sure we're logged into our ArcGIS Online account here in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, so if we right-click onto our feature class that we want to publish, we go down to Sharing, Share as Web Layer, and Share as Web Layer window opens up. The name I'm going to keep the same. For summary, you could type in whatever you need, whatever makes sense to you, but in this case, I'm going to say Durham County Index, and for tag, I'm just going to say Grid Index. Layer type, I'm going to keep it as a feature. And the location, I have a folder already called Demo on my ArcGIS Online account. I'm not going to share it with anybody. I'm just going to keep it within my organization. It's a good idea to click on Analyze just to make sure there's no warnings or errors. And there doesn't have to be any. And there isn't any in my case here. Next, we click Publish. And this should just take a moment or two. Okay, so the feature class has been published to my ArcGIS Online account, and let's go check that out. And we might need to refresh to view that feature class, and here it is. So let's go ahead and go click onto the feature layer, and we need to make this layer editable. And we need to go to Settings, scroll down, Enable Editing, and click Save. This will allow you to edit that feature class. Otherwise, it would just be just view only. Okay, so here's our feature class in ArcGIS Online. Now, in the other example where we were able to change the complete status to complete or not complete, we could do the same here. So if we go over to the right-hand side where it says Edit, we click onto that. We have the same symbology that we assigned it in ArcGIS Pro. Now, if we select our first grid by selecting Select, in that complete field, we have complete and not complete. We update, and so forth. Now, if we wanted to label the grids, we could do that by clicking on Label. We are enabling labels. Add a label class. Now we can change the label field from page name to page number, however you want that to be displayed. And there you go. Thanks for watching.